In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add digital products to Systeme.io. To get started, log into your Systeme.io account and head to your dashboard. This is your main control center, and from here you'll be able to access the area where your funnels and product settings are managed. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Sites. This section contains the parts of your online business related to pages, funnels, and how your offers are presented to customers. After that, click on Sales Funnels to open the list of funnels available in your account. Next, choose the funnel where you want to add your digital product. Make sure you select the correct funnel, especially if you have multiple offers set up, because the product will be attached to the order form inside that specific funnel. After opening the funnel, click on Order Form. This is the step where customers actually complete their purchase. So this is where you'll connect the digital product they're meant to receive after payment. From there, click on Digital Product. This tells Systeme.io that the item you're selling is a downloadable or online resource rather than a physical product. It's an important setting because it controls what gets delivered to the buyer after checkout. Now, click on the plus icon to add resources. This section is where you define exactly what the customer receives when their payment goes through. In other words, you're connecting the purchase to the actual product delivery. This helps ensure buyers get immediate access to what they paid for. Next, type in the product name. Use a clear and recognizable name so it's easy to identify later, both for you and for organizing your funnel setup. Keeping names consistent can also make future updates much easier. After naming the product, select a source. This is where you choose where the digital product comes from, based on the available options inside your account. Be sure to select the correct source so the right content is delivered after purchase. Then move down to the price plan section. Click the plus icon, choose your payment gateway configuration, and set the pricing type. You can choose a one-time payment if the customer pays once, a subscription if they'll be billed on a recurring basis, or a payment plan if you want to split the total cost into multiple payments. After choosing the pricing type, enter the price amounts carefully and double-check them before saving. Finally, click Save. This confirms all the changes you've made and applies the digital product setup to your order form. Once saved, your digital product is connected to your funnel and ready to be sold through Systeme.io.